Yeah. Hello. Hi, everyone. My name is Haim. Haim Maryada. This channel is specifically dedicated to data science. Right now, I'm going to start my series on Python. So I thought of starting with statistics, which is very much useful for our EDA process. My first topic is mean, median, mode. Initially, the way how I structured this course is like explaining the concept and implementing the same on the Python with a few examples. We all know that mean is the average of the given set of numbers, and median is the middlemost number among the given set. Mode is the most repeated value in the given set. This basic stuff is very commonly known to everyone. We all learned during our primary school or middle school. So uh, yep, this is my Google Colab. I hope you all can open Google Colab and do some stuff. So if you don't know, Google Colab is a Google design platform. It's an online website or a service provided by the Google to run our Python scripts very fast and very accurate. For calculating mean, median, mode, I need three packages. So one is pandas, and the second is numpy, and the third is stats. So initially, for calculating my mean, median, I was taking my pandas and numpy. So import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP. Yep. So here I am giving my list. For example, I've taken 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. To calculate the mean, np dot mean is enough. That will calculate the mean of your tuple or list. How long might be your list or tuple? This one line can really easily calculate the mean. I'm printing my mean. So the second is calculating median. np dot median. So I'm even printing my median. So 5 is the median. Yeah, this set I have written in ascending order, and the mean is sum by number of variables. Mode. So I tried like, why can't we even do like np dot mode? We all have done like np dot mean, np dot median, but why can't we try this np dot mode? But this is not working. It gave an error saying like module numpy has no attribute called mode. So what is the other way to solve this problem? So I came to know that stats package will really help us to calculate the mode. So to calculate mode, we need stats package. So from SciPy, I'm importing stats as st. And now you can convert into array, or you can just say like st dot mode of s. So it will generate this number. As my earlier list is not having repeated values, so I have taken here 2, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. I have given the name of this list as s1. So st dot mode of s1. So array mode is 2. Mode is 2. And the count of this array is, the repeated value is 2 times. I hope by this you got understood about mean, median, mode, and how we calculate them in Python using Numpy. We can even calculate mean, median, mode with different ways. I will upload my next videos how to calculate mean, median, mode without using Numpy or Pandas. Hopefully, you'll see my video in the next on the next day. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.